Why are you performing for someone else in your 9 to 5 job? Guys, if you're working a 9 to 5 job, right, you're not just working a 9 to 5 job, you're performing for someone else. You're basically someone else's clown, right? You go to work, you do what you're told, you come home, you get paid 2-3 grand, and you yourself know it's not enough money to survive on. And in today's video, I'm going to basically break down a 9 to 5 job and why you're basically performing for someone else and how that's going to affect you negatively in the future and how you're basically being treated like a clown. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Alim, and I used to myself work a 9 to 5 job, right? I used to work a 9 to 5 job in the UK. I used to work in Argos, World Duty Free, and Sky before I decided, you know what, I've had enough of my life. I'm not going to perform for someone else. I'm going to take the biggest risk, quit my 9 to 5 job, pack my bags, and move to Dubai. And this is where I currently live at the moment, right? So life has completely changed for me. And now I make well over 6 figures a year on my online coaching business, which has completely changed my life. And I realized one thing, right, when I was quitting my job. Why did I decide to perform for someone else? You know, when they're not paying me enough, I don't have any freedom. Why am I doing this? And a lot of you guys don't realize this, right? But for $15, $20 an hour, you're performing for someone else. They tell you do this and you perform, right? Think about it for a second. What's the true difference between you and someone working in a circus? It's the exact same thing. You are their clown. You're working for them. They say you need to do this and you have to do it. How can you, as a grown-ass man, go into work and perform for someone else? Like, isn't that affecting your ego a little bit? Isn't that affecting you as a person a little bit? How can you kind of accept that? It's so crazy to me. A lot of you guys just go to work, perform for someone else, right? And you're okay with that. Like, that's crazy. You're okay with that. You're okay working 40 hours a week for someone else. You're okay coming home with 3 grand, 2 grand at the end of the month. You're okay with that. How are you okay with that? And you think performing for maybe a higher company or a better company is going to make your life better? Guys, you are absolutely deluded. You're really, really deluded if you think performing for someone else is going to make your life better. Because trust me, it's not. Now, guys, what you should do instead is start an online business, right? Because you get to work for yourself. You get to make money online. That's what I do. So I help people start the One Skill Consulting business model where they can start an online business that can generate them 10K a month. Now, if you guys are interested with that, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? But ultimately, what you guys need to do is start an online business. Start the One Skill Consulting business model, because that's what's going to give you freedom. That's going to allow you to perform for yourself, not for someone else. And that's going to allow you to be your own boss so you can have freedom and you can make lots of money. But if you're a man, right, watching this video, ask yourself, like, just sit down and just ask yourself, why are you performing for someone else, right? Why would you not start something of your own? What is lacking within you that you can't do that someone else can do? Because I'll give you an example. I recently helped a 16-year-old client, right? And he made his first 2 grand within like a couple of weeks. And he didn't have to perform for anyone else. He made money for himself, right? So why would you guys be happy to perform for someone else for 2 grand, 3 grand a month? That's crazy for me. And for 40 hours a week, that's unreal. And guys, I'm not coming at this from a high horse. I myself used to work a 9 to 5 job back in the UK. I myself was performing for another man, but I knew how much that affected me. I knew that what I'm doing isn't the way that I want to keep doing things. I knew because of my ego, I can't take instructions from another man. I had to do things for myself. So I took a big risk, right? I quit my job and I started an online business. Now, I'm not saying for you guys who are just watching this video, just quit your 9 to 5 job, right? But at least let it piss you off. At least when you put it in your mind that you're performing for someone else for like $15, $20, whatever it is, that should piss you off. It should piss you off so much that you decide, you know what, I'm going to start an online business. I'm going to start making money for myself. I'm going to start making money online. Because making money online will give you the ultimate freedom, right? Because when you make money online, you're not tied down to a geographical location. You can travel where you want, you can go where you want, you can live where you want. All of that kind of stuff comes with it, right? I wouldn't even recommend a physical business because that ties you down to a location and also you have a lot of overheads. The best business that you guys can do is starting an online business, right? And this is what I'm trying to say. If you're performing for someone else for $15 an hour, $20 an hour, $30 an hour, whatever you get paid, right? You need to seriously look at yourself and say, what am I doing? And you know what? Decide that you're going to start an online business. Literally, if you're performing for someone else right now and you're not starting an online business or you're not thinking to start an online business, then you're just going to waste your time. You need to say to yourself, okay, cool. This is my current situation. Don't just quit your job like I did, right? I took a big risk, but I'm not telling you guys to take a big risk. But ultimately, you guys need to start understanding that if you do not take action now, you're going to be performing for people for the rest of your life. And even when you look at applying for jobs, right? Let's even break this down. When you apply for jobs, you're basically begging them, please let me perform for you. Please let me perform for you. You ask different employers, please let me perform for you. Please let me perform for you. You go through the interview process saying, oh, I'm a very good performer. I can perform really well for you. I've got this much experience. Guys, job interviews, think about it. It's crazy. It's you asking, please, can I perform for you for some money? Honestly, when you really and truly break it down like that, it makes you second guess. It makes you think, right? What am I doing? What are you actually doing with your life? So this is why I say, don't look to perform for someone else. It should piss you off, but don't quit your job either, right? Because you need some money coming in. Start an online business, right? Start the One Skill Consulting business model. And a lot of people say to me, right, like, what can you do? How can you escape the matrix? How can you escape your 9-to-5 job? How do you get out of performing for someone else? Well, my answer is always the same. Invest in yourself. Guys, when you don't know how to do something, you either spend years doing it yourself, making mistakes and learning throughout the process, or you pay someone to learn the information straight away so you can take action straight away, so you can make money straight away, right? It's literally as simple as that. Because if you spend time doing it yourself, you're gonna waste years and years and years. And in that meantime, you're gonna be performing for someone else, right? But if you have some money that you can invest in a mentor, right? Well, you're gonna learn the information straight away. When you invest in yourself, you start making money straight away, you start scaling straight away, you start taking the right action straight away. And because of all of those things combined, you'll start making money straight away. It's as simple as that. So if you are performing for someone else in a 9-to-5 job, the best way to escape is use that money, invest in yourself, learn from someone that's doing it, and then implement the same methods. And I guarantee you'll make money. Now guys, I have my own online coaching business where I work with people, right? Where I show you exactly how you can start the One Skill Consulting business model, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month. Now, if that does sound interesting to you, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how you can start this business model and start making money. But ultimately, guys, right? Don't perform for someone else. Don't, be someone else's slave, essentially. Work for yourself. You should always strive to work for yourself. And if you learn enough skills, anyone can do this. And I truly mean anyone can escape their 9-to-5 job and do this business model and completely change their life. It's literally as simple as that. And if you're working a 9-to-5 job right now, don't even count it as working a 9-to-5 job. Put in your mind you're performing for someone else. Put in your mind you're the clown in the circus, right? That is performing for the boss. And the boss tells you to do something, you have to do it. Otherwise, you could get fired, you can get a warning, X, Y, and Z. Ultimately, you guys need to understand you need to start an online business, which is going to completely change your life, which is what I did, which is where I went from. I was working a 9-to-5 job, performing for someone else, making shit money basically, right? Before I started my online business, make well over 6 figures a year, completely changed my life, live in the greatest city in the world, and I've completely turned my life around. And you guys can do the exact same thing. So again, if you do need any help, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, or alternatively, if you want more information about the business model that I mentioned, click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.